guys! Welcome to KFC, Korean Food Cookbang. This is an easy, tasty Korean food cooking channel and I'm Yuji. My cooking is always easy to follow and everyone can make it. Today's menu is EoMukTang which is Korean fish cake soup, and it's one of my soul foods. There are a lot of my teenage memories with this soup. This is one of the very popular street foods in Korea. When the weather gets chilly like around this time, I automatically think about this soup. Oh my gosh, I really need that soup like this. So I will share this recipe with you today so you can try Korean street soul food at home. Main ingredients is, of course, fish cake. There are a bunch of brands and kinds of fish cake out there, but I chose the one from H-Mart, but you can choose any Korean brand from the market. For the base broth of this soup, I will use dried anchovy and dried kelp. I use this for most of my soups, so if you want to follow my recipes, you should have these at home. There is one more sauce that I want to mention today is Anchovy Fish Sauce. I call this magic sauce for Korean dishes. The sauce itself has very strong smell and taste, but if you put just a little bit of this sauce into your Korean soups, it instantly gives you a deeper flavor, Korean taste. I'm not sure I'm explaining quickly, but I strongly think so. I love to use this. I mean, actually this is optional for this recipe, but if you want to give your soup more authentic flavor, I recommend it. I always put the links on the description box of the videos so you can find out the ingredients from online. Also, you can order. I think I had a long enough for the intro, right? So let's start! Oh, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe me, please! I hope you all enjoyed my recipe, and if you have any questions, you can reply on this video, okay? So I think this is it for today. If you liked it, please press the like button and subscribe me for the next video. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye!